Welcome to a brand new video here today on the channel. This is a very exciting one. Today we will be taking a look at Kimba the White Lion, the most hype, solid and successful launch in the history of meme coins. Before we do get any further here today though, remember the usual disclaimer that nothing in today's video should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. You should treat this strictly for educational purposes. So, Kimba the White Lion reached a $650 million market cap in just 72 hours. This coin is on the Solana network, and we have links here to CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, we have Dex Screener, Dex Tools, their X account, and of course their Telegram, so you can check out their socials. So about Kimba, reviving the legend. So Kimba is more than a cryptocurrency. It's a movement to revive a legendary tale and champion justice in creativity. Inspired by Kimba the White Lion by Osamu Tezuka, Kimba stands for courage, unity, and the resilience of creators. For decades, Kimba has inspired strength, but its legacy has been overshadowed by debates over uncredited similarities to Disney's Lion King. What Kimba stands for: Kimba is a mission to honor creators, uphold authenticity, and inspire dreamers to reclaim creativity's true legacy. So why Kimba? A tribute, again celebrating Osamu Tezuka, and reignite the story of Kimba, champion creativity. So again, this symbol Kimba on Sol, the trading pair, has burst into cryptocurrency scene in a way that embodies the no worries philosophy, delivering an extraordinary debut that's setting the standard for stress-free trading and financial freedom. So we set out on a bold vision to create a meme coin that wouldn't just join the market, but dominate it, leaving an indelible mark as the ultimate meme coin. Kimba is more than just a token. Again, it's a movement born from belief that memes have powers to unite, inspire, and break boundaries. Their mission was clear: to build a meme coin that sets records, sparks conversations, and stands as a symbol of creativity and ambition in the crypto world. Kimba is designed not only to generate laughs, but to create legacy, becoming the gold standard in the meme token space. For an unstoppable community, unmatched creativity, and raring drive, Kimba isn't just here to compete, it's here to lead, proving that meme coins can both be legendary and impactful. That is their vision, story, and future. Wow, powerful words there. And yeah, Kimba the White Lion. So of course we have seen many different kind of crypto meme animals. We've had hundreds of dogs, we've had cats, we've had frogs, and this is the first lion token I have seen, which is a great sign. A lot of currencies, there's coins for set animals, and of course you want to be the market leader in that field, and Kimba the White Lion will be leading this. So we have a link of the contract here and the total supply of Kimba. We can take a look at the DEX screener. So the token launched on the 30th of November, and if we change this to market cap, once this loads through, we can see it was absolutely explosive on the launch, going up to $700 million market cap. Currently sat around 330 million on a pretty decent resistance point. So actually now is a pretty nice entry again. If we reach all-time highs, you're looking at over a 2x on the entry point right now. And I feel like the kind of meme bull run, meme season hasn't fully picked up yet. So this could be definitely one to grab and keep on your watch list. So looking at the roadmap, Kimba was born with the LP locked. Then Kimba begins burning the token and becoming the king of the meme jungle. Phase 3 is IRL events and contests, so that's pretty exciting. And Phase 4 is acquisition of Disney to push the fractal true story of the real Lion King. So how do you buy? It's pretty simple. You will need a Phantom wallet. Then you need to purchase some Sol for your Phantom wallet. Swap your Sol for Kimba tokens and then enjoy Kimba. And of course we have their socials here on X and Telegram. We can take a look at Kimba the White Lion on Sol, at Kimba meme here with the token contract. The king returns, Kimba is coming. So again, they are putting out very nice content behind this, and we have a lot of meme pictures and content coming, which is always great to see. For any meme token, you need a lot of media, especially for the virality, and Kimba truly has that. You can also join their Telegram, nearly 4,000 members in there. And of course, we have the official website, which you'll find linked down below. So there's a nice video you can watch at the top of the webpage. I'll let you guys save that treat for you when you do check it out for yourself. And of course, you can simply pick up your Kimba by copying the contract address and swapping your Solana into it. And the buy now link takes you directly to the DEX screener trading pair. But I hope you all have enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.